Welcome to JH. Recently, a lot of people have been receiving bizarre emails that look like they're from the Google Mail delivery subsystem, specifically from mailerdemon@googlemail.com. They usually sport the subject line, Delivery Status Notification Failure, and at first glance, they look exactly like a real Gmail bounce back. Because apparently, scammers have nothing better to do with their lives than perfect the art of the failed delivery notice. You should probably watch till the end to get the full story. The first thing people notice is the professional, technical jargon claiming your message wasn't delivered because the recipient's address couldn't be found. It's all very convincing until the email suddenly loses its mind and changes tone. You'll see a shady link like confirmation point 20 or even a massive image claiming you've won a brand new car. Because nothing says technical mail error like a free Toyota, right? Real Gmail notifications don't include prizes or flashy promotions, so that's your first massive red flag. The second concern is the sender address itself. It might claim to be from @google.com instead of @gmail.com. While both are real Google domains, scammers love using this slight variation to trick you. It's the digital equivalent of buying a Rolex that's clearly spelled with 2 X's. They are just faking the from field to make it look official, but it's all a lie. Some users even see their own email address in both the from and to fields, which is a lovely touch of psychological warfare. Don't panic. Your account hasn't been hacked. It's just email spoofing, a cheap magic trick to make the message look like it came from you. If you can still log into your Gmail normally, your account is perfectly safe from these digital ghosts. The fourth concern involves those giant, shiny buttons screaming confirm, verify, or check details. Whatever you do, don't click them unless you're looking to hand over your login info to a stranger in a basement. Those links take you to fake websites designed to harvest your personal data. Remember, Google isn't going to ask you to verify your life via a random, unsolicited email. Finally, watch out for the panic-inducing messages like suspicious login detected or your account will be locked soon. It's basic scare tactics for people who the scammers clearly think were born yesterday. Real security alerts only appear inside your actual Google account or the official app, not in a random bounce message. So, is this Google Mail delivery subsystem email real? Absolutely not. It's a phishing scam designed to steal your account information and probably your dignity. If you see one, don't click any links or attachments. Just delete the email immediately or report it as phishing. For those who are still a bit paranoid, go to your official Google security page to check for unusual activity, change your password, and turn on two-factor authentication. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and stop clicking on free cars sent by a delivery demon. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.